What if I told you that there's a hidden component in your refrigerator that's been working against you for years, silently increasing your electricity bill by up to 30%, shortening your appliance's lifespan dramatically, and causing your food to spoil faster? Cleaning it takes exactly 15 minutes with a brush costing just a few dollars. What if this one maintenance task most people never perform could potentially save you hundreds annually? I cleaned my refrigerator coils for the first time after years of ownership, and the results in my electricity bill genuinely shocked me. Stay with me to the end, because this will save you some serious money. The appliance working against you. Your refrigerator runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year without stopping. It's your hardest working appliance, consuming more electricity than almost anything else in your home. But here's what nobody tells you. There's a component underneath or behind your refrigerator called the condenser coils that's absolutely critical to its efficiency. These coils release heat from inside your refrigerator into the surrounding air, which is how refrigeration actually works. When these coils are clean, this heat exchange happens efficiently and your refrigerator runs optimally. But when they're coated in dust, pet hair, and debris, which happens completely invisibly without you ever knowing, everything changes dramatically. Understanding condenser coils. Here's how your refrigerator actually works. The refrigeration system circulates coolant that absorbs heat from inside your fridge and transfers it outside through the condenser coils. These coils need to release this heat into surrounding air efficiently. When dust blankets the coils, it acts like insulation, trapping heat and forcing the compressor motor to work significantly harder and longer to achieve the same cooling effect. Finding your coils. Condenser coils are located in one of two places depending on your refrigerator model. On older models, they're typically on the back of the refrigerator, visible as a grid of black tubes. On most modern models, they're located underneath the refrigerator behind a removable kick plate at the bottom front. Check your refrigerator manual or simply look under the front bottom and behind the appliance to locate yours. The 15-minute cleaning process. Here's the complete process. First, unplug your refrigerator. Safety is non-negotiable with any appliance maintenance. Pull it away from the wall if coils are at the back, or remove the bottom kick plate if coils are underneath. You'll likely see exactly what I saw. Coils completely covered in dust and debris. Using a coil cleaning brush, a long, flexible brush specifically designed for this purpose, available for between $8 and $20. Gently brush along the coils, dislodging accumulated dust and debris. Work systematically, covering every section. Follow immediately with a vacuum cleaner and hose attachment, vacuuming up all the loosened dust and debris both from the coils themselves and from the floor underneath where significant accumulation collects. For coils underneath, use a vacuum with a flat attachment to reach as far back as possible. Replace the kick plate or push the refrigerator back, plug it back in, and you're done. The results that changed my electricity bill. The difference was not immediate but measurable. I noticed my refrigerator running noticeably quieter in the first few days after cleaning, indicating the compressor wasn't running as long or as hard. By the end of the first month, my electricity bill showed a meaningful decrease that I directly attributed to this single maintenance task. My refrigerator also maintained temperature more consistently, and I noticed food staying fresh longer because temperature was being maintained properly rather than fluctuating slightly due to an overworked system. Why nobody knows this? Refrigerator manufacturers mention coil cleaning in manuals, but these rarely get read thoroughly. Appliance repair technicians benefit financially from premature appliance failure. Electricity companies have no incentive to teach efficiency, and the coils are hidden, so you never see them getting dirty. This creates a perfect storm of ignorance around a maintenance task that would save most households significant money annually. There you have it. Clean your refrigerator coils every 6 months. Unplug, locate coils, brush thoroughly, vacuum all debris, plug back in, and watch your electricity bill decrease. If this just revealed hidden money you've been wasting, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-saving appliance maintenance secrets. Share with everyone who owns a refrigerator. Comment when you last cleaned your coils. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, maintain what's hidden, save electricity, and stop paying unnecessary bills because of dust you can't see.